Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya also accepted the issue. So far, 14 people have died and around 1400 residents have fallen ill. Political tension has increased in Madhya Pradesh over the Indore water tragedy. In Bhopal, Women's Congress workers protested outside the official residence of Urban Administration Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya. The protesters reached the bungalow carrying handbills and rang them continuously as a mark of protest. They raised slogans against the government and blamed poor civic management for the death caused by contaminated water in Indore. The women leaders demanded the minister's resignation, saying innocent lives were lost due to negligence. Police forces were deployed to manage the situation. The protest added fuel to the already heated political atmosphere in the state. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav released the Madhya Pradesh government calendar for the year 2026 on Thursday. The calendar has been published under the theme Prosperous Farmer, Prosperous State. The Chief Minister appreciated the attractive design and meaningful content of the calendar. He said it reflects the government's commitment toward farmers and development. Dr. Yadav also said the printed calendar and government diary will be helpful for government officers, employees and citizens. The calendar highlights agriculture, welfare scheme and cultural heritage of the state, making it useful as well as informative. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav will attend the World Economic Forum annual meeting in Davos, Switzerland from January 18 to January 23, 2026. During the event, he will present Madhya Pradesh as a strong investment destination before global investors and business leaders. The theme of the World Economic Forum 2026 is a spirit of dialogue and unlocking new sources of growth. Important discussion on global economy, innovation and development will be held. Chief Minister is expected to highlight industrial policies, infrastructure growth and employment opportunities available in Madhya Pradesh. On the first day of 2026, Chief Secretary Anurag Jain held a meeting with senior officials at Vallabh Bhavan in Bhopal. He asked all departments to prepare clear action plans according to Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav's Vision 2047 for a developed India. Jain stressed the need to improve ease of living and ease of doing business in the state. He directed officials to simplify rules and make government processes easier for common people, traders and entrepreneurs. The meeting focused on fixing target, improving governance and ensuring timely implementation of development schemes. Congress leader pasted protest posters at various locations inside the Indore Municipal Corporation headquarters. The posters were related to the Bhagirathpura contaminated water incident. In the poster, images of Yamraj and the Kamal symbol were used, accusing the ruling party of supplying deadly water to the public. When municipal employees arrived at the office, they noticed the posters and informed senior officials. Following instruction, staff members removed the posters from wall near the control room and other departments. The incident further increased political tension in Indore over the water contamination issue. A fatal road accident occurred early Thursday morning on the Tejaji Nagar bypass near Kripal Ghati in Indore. A speeding Thar SUV crashed into an oncoming bus, causing serious damage. One youth died on the spot while a young man and a woman were seriously injured. Police said the victims were returning after celebrating a New Year party on December 31st. The deceased was identified as Shubham, age 24, son of Ankit Kakkar, and a resident of Nagda. Injured persons were taken to the hospital. Police are investigating the exact cause of the accident. Madhya Pradesh is witnessing intense cold weather this winter season. According to the Meteorological Department, November recorded the coldest temperature in the last 84 years, while December broke a 25-year-old cold record. Kalyanpur and Nagaon, Khajuraho were reported as the coldest place in the state. Weather experts have predicted that January will also remain extremely cold, similar to November and December. People are advised to stay indoors during night and early morning hours. Farmers and elderly people have been asked to take special precaution due to the harsh weather condition.